Lewis assessment asks us to identify the nucleophile and electrophile in the reactions shown. The arrow pushing mechanism that's shown here shows us that the lone pair on oxygen is being donated to the empty p orbital on carbon. Nucleophile, the term, implies that something loves nuclei and therefore means that it's electron rich. Electron species want to donate electrons to areas of electron deficiency. Those are nucleophiles. In that case, that makes this alcohol the nucleophile in this reaction. Electrophiles, on the other hand, love electrons. And so here, this carbocation, this positive charge that's having electrons donated to it, is going to be the electrophile. Bonus information, we can characterize this nucleophile as also being the Lewis base, the electron pair donor, whereas the carbocation is the electrophile. The carbocation, the electrophile, is the Lewis acid, the electron pair acceptor.